7 fast facts about Japan. 1. One of the highest life expectancies on Earth. 2. Trains so punctual that seconds matter. 3. Over 5 million vending machines, serving city and countryside. 4. World-leading earthquake engineering and preparedness. 5. Seasons define travel. Sakura, summer matsuri, momiji, powder snow. 6. More Michelin stars than any other country. 7. Robots in factories and greeting you in hotels. Section 1. A land of gentle contradictions. Today, on this final day of 2025, we look toward a place that masterfully blends the past with the future. Japan is a country of many wonders, a small island nation with a spirit that feels vast and boundless. Ancient customs, futuristic ideas, a centuries-old wooden temple, a gleaming glass skyscraper, a person in a traditional kimono checking messages on the very latest smartphone. Section 2. The culinary tapestry. More than just sushi. Japanese food is famous all around the world, celebrated for its delicate flavors, beautiful presentation, and deep respect for fresh ingredients. When many think of Japanese cuisine, sushi comes first. Small, artful, creations of vinegared rice paired with fresh, high-quality fish. It represents a philosophy of simplicity and purity. Natural tastes shine through without heavy sauces. Beyond sushi, a world of warmth awaits. Mayan, bien, hearty broth, springy noodles, tender meat, and a soft-boiled egg. Every region has its own take. Street food brings the sizzle, takoyaki, and yakitori. Dining is tied to tools and customs. Chopsticks become an extension of the hand. Markets brim with seasonal produce and fish caught hours before. Quality is a point of pride. Jewel-like sushi, rising ramen steam, and lively vendors. Food tells Japan's story through taste, sight, and shared experience. Section 3. Harmony with nature. The 4 seasons canvas. Spring arrives with an explosion of life. Cherry blossoms, sakura, parks, rivers, mountainsides, renewal beneath blossoming trees. Summer unfurls lush greenery, long warm days, and lively festivals. Trips to the coast, while cicadas sing. Autumn sets the land ablaze, momiji reds and golden ginkgo. Crisp air invites reflection and hikes. Winter blankets villages in quiet wonder. Skiing and snowboarding in Hokkaido and Nagano. Then onsen, warmth beneath falling snow. The iconic Mount Fuji, capped in pristine white. Section 4. Cities of light and order. Japan's cities are dazzling spectacles of modernity, efficiency, and incredible human density, yet remarkably calm. Tokyo, Osaka, Yokohama, towering skyscrapers and intricate road networks over endless neighborhoods. A palpable hum, day and night, lit by oceans of neon. Shibuya Crossing surges, yet it remains orderly. No pushing, no chaos. Cities grow vertically. Slender apartments, stacked restaurants, hidden bars up tiny elevators, pocket parks, spotless streets, user-friendly services, design that respects people, efficient organization, thoughtful design, and a sense of safety make discovery a joy. Section 5. The elegance of Japanese transport. Japan is globally renowned for its extraordinary transportation network. Speed, punctuality, precision, the Shinkansen, sleek trains connecting major cities at astonishing velocity, smooth, quiet rides, and departures measured to the second. Reliability is a point of national pride. Subways and local trains move millions with the same calm efficiency. Stations are clean, well-organized, and easy to navigate with multilingual signage. Unspoken rules. Queue neatly. Keep voices low. Avoid calls. Respect creates peace, even at rush hour. A single smart card, Suica or Pasmo, works on subways, buses, and even vending and convenience stores, making travel seamless. Speed, punctuality, cleanliness, and thoughtful integration. Efficiency, respect, and meticulous detail in motion. Section 6. The soul of tradition. Festivals and timeless rituals. While a leader in innovation, Japan holds its ancient traditions with equal care. Matsuri knit communities to seasons, history, shrines and temples. Music, dance, and elaborate decorations fill the streets. Gion and Takayama parades move ornate, centuries-old floats, carvings, tapestries, lanterns, guided by teams in traditional attire. Flutes and drums animate the night. Kimono marks special moments, weddings, tea ceremonies, festivals. patterns turning streets into a living canvas. Beyond spectacle, small rituals endure. Tea, ikebana, a shrine prayer, mindfulness in simple beauty. By keeping traditions alive, Japan sustains a strong, vibrant cultural soul. Section 7. Tomorrow's World, Today. Technology with a human touch. A global pioneer in electronics, robotics, and engineering, innovation leaves the lab and enters daily routines. Contactless payments, automated kiosks, smart streets, futuristic ideas made normal. Vending machines on corners and stations and rural lanes offer hot coffee, green tea, ice cream, even hot meals and umbrellas. Beyond industry, social robots greet guests and deliver dishes. Friendly faces adding service and novelty. Smartphones tap trains and shops and guide complex cityscapes. High-tech toilets with heated seats and cleansing functions, and tablet ordering at restaurants. Not gimmicks, thoughtful tech for smoother, cleaner, more convenient lives. Japan shows tomorrow, today.